Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram story time. To know how to fix Instagram story time, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings like this. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And then in this page, you will go down to force stop. After that, you will enter to storage here, and then in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Instagram story time. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.